everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. Here are the best food delivery apps. Want to read this one?
Yeah, so there's 35 food delivery companies putting dinner on the table. I didn't know there were that many.
Holy moly. Here are the best ones.
All right, guys. So
Eggs. What is good eggs?
I don't know. I don't know what Imperfect Foods is either. But yeah, you guys already know DoorDash, Instacart, PostMates, Shipped, Uber Eats. GoPuff is pretty popular.
Oh yeah, I forgot about GoPuff.
Yeah. So there's Tovala, Chow Now, Cometeer, Daily Harvest.
Well, this one delivers fresh fruits.
Oh, it's subscription based. I would actually like that because it's like I eat fruits and vegetables every day anyways, so that'd be kind of nice. Is it only New York, or is that just where the headquarters is?
Interesting.
That looks good.
Yeah, you know what I hate about meal prep services is like the food always looks like it sucks.
This food looks good, but I mean, the pictures probably look better than how it actually is when you get it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Also, these are not that expensive. Like, usually a bowl like that would be like $15, and that said it was under 10. The smoothies are a little pricey though. Oh, they give you recipes. Like, this looks like something I would totally love. Like, it just looks like nice.
Yeah, for real.
Smoothie looks so good. Wow, I want a smoothie now.
Same. Farmstead, Gold Belly, GoPuff, GrubHub, Blank Street. So, question is, which is the best delivery app? I've done Uber Eats, I've done Postmates, Instacart,
Walmart, Spark.
I would say I liked Uber Eats better than Postmates, simply because their app was way easier. And a lot of restaurants had better like partnerships with Uber Eats. Like a lot of times the payment, like with Postmates, sometimes I would have to like pay for the food. And then I had to like take a picture of the receipt and stuff. With Uber Eats, it was like usually the food was already I just grabbed it.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes with Postmates too, I would get there and the food wouldn't be like, they were like, oh, we never got the order.
Oh.
Or I think even one restaurant was like, we're not on Postmates. And I was like, they just told me to come here.
Oh.
So, yeah, check out some of these other ones though. Check Hungry Root. Hungry Root?
Hungry Root?
Instacart. Oh yeah. You know what I hate though is that you can't order Trader Joe's off Instacart though. And that's literally like
that's the only place I get my groceries from.
Same. And I'm like, you can do Ralph's and stuff, but like a lot of the problem with this is like a lot of times they're sold out or like it's so delayed, like they won't have the same item, so they end up getting you like, oh look, you can work for Instacart. Oh no, this is built in. Oh, what is built in?
Oh, is it like a job search thing, like Indeed?
Better matches, better jobs, happier you. Yeah, I don't like any of these because they just end up sending you like so many random jobs and then you got like thousands of people applying for them.
Yeah.
Like I don't like these massive job apps.
Yeah.
Betty though is a good one, guys. If you want to get actually use a good one, shout out to Fetty. Career advice for young professionals. Well, you've used
For
Fetty,
joining
right?
me today. My name is Carmen, and for the past 9 years, I was a university recruiter at Meta. And over my time at Meta, I hired over 1,000 students just like you into internship and full-time roles. But now I work at a company called Fetty, where I make videos.
It's just crazy. Like she like hired a legit former Meta person.
Oh, that's cool.
So yeah, if you guys are looking for a job, like a traditional job, check out tryfetty.com. They'll help you out.